Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best coffee maker you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach TwoWay Brewer Coffee Maker. This fully programmable dual coffee maker has some features that are just as excellent as its design. While it is much more expensive than the first one on this list, it also has more features. It includes a holder for K-cup pods, and it comes with single-serve ground baskets or K-cup pods. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew coffee maker has separate water reservoirs to make individual, single-serve coffee, and a bigger one that fills a complete 12-cup glass carafe. This is a wonderful feature so that you don't have to keep refilling while utilizing both brewing chambers. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew is also programmable and can be tweaked to fit your schedule, allowing you to set a time for brewing coffee. What's greater than waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee? Or, for those of you that enjoy a cup of coffee in the evening when you get home from work, you can set a brewing schedule and Hamilton will remember and deliver a perfect cup of Java. Some people, including us, get a little impatient waiting for the coffee pot to finish. What typically happens is that you are brewing the pot but don't want to wait until it's finished, so you pour some coffee. As you pour, you hear the sizzle as some coffee continues to come out of the basin, dirtying the heating plate and probably burning your hand. With the Hamilton, you can press the pause button to stop the brewing process and get your cup in there without burning yourself or dirtying the kitchen. That alone should give this device an award for being one of the best. Pros: makes a range of coffees. Cold brew setting. Useful smart features. Cons: overkill. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 49976 FlexBrew Trio 2-Way. To start off our list, we have the Hamilton Beach 2-Way Brewer Coffee Maker. This is an excellent and beautiful coffee maker that's sure to fit your coffee needs. While previously we mentioned that dual coffee makers are perfect for offices, they are also excellent for personal use too. Starting your day with fresh ground coffee is great, but it's even better if you can take some of your coffee with you on your way out the door. Most people just prepare their coffee, drink a cup, and then they probably pour the rest of the carafe into a travel mug, but that leads to more than one issue. For instance, if you don't live alone, you leave the rest of your home without coffee, and we do not recommend that. If you don't want to come home to a smashed glass carafe with coffee grounds all over the floor, we recommend the altruistic route. That's where this dual coffee maker comes into play. The Hamilton Beach Coffee Brewer offers you the feature to make a single-serve cup of coffee while preparing a 12-cup carafe. That way, you won't need to take every last drop from the pot. With the integrated controls, you can choose how you'd like your coffee, and the brewer does the rest. You can comfortably get ready to start your day while your coffee is brewing. The warming plate will also ensure that your coffee is always hot but never burnt. Most importantly, this machine is great for preparing both single servings of coffee pods and full pots, a unique feature of the two-way coffee maker. Even if you don't use the single-serve part of the brewer. Pros: easy to use. Large capacity. Convenient water reservoirs. Polished, modern look. Cons: not the strongest. Number 3. Keurig K-Cafe Single-Serve K-Cup Coffee Maker. As you probably have noticed by now, when we say dual coffee maker, we don't mean a coffee maker capable of brewing twice the amount of coffee. Well, besides the last one we mentioned. Rather, a better way to describe these two-way coffee makers is that they are machines with special abilities. If a coffee maker with special abilities is what you are after, then the next dual brew machine is as unique as they come. Number 4 on our list is the Keurig K-Cafe Coffee Maker, which can make up to 6 cups without the need to refill the water reservoir. It is compatible with Keurig K-Pods, and it's compatible with the universal Keurig reusable coffee filter. It's also very energy efficient, and it will turn off 2 hours after the last brew has finished. Now that we are getting into the special abilities of one of the best dual coffee makers, we should mention that it also includes its own integrated milk frother. This milk frother is perfect for preparing the best cappuccinos or lattes at home, just the way you want it. So enjoy and have a great time experimenting. Get ready to become your own barista. Lastly, thanks to the simple controls it features, anyone can use it without needing a PhD. Not only that, but it is also highly programmable and easy to clean. Best of all, the coffee is top quality, which is a rare find within two-way coffee makers. Not only that. Number 4. Cuisinart SS15P1 Coffee Center 12-cup coffee maker. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Cuisinart SS15P1 Coffee Center. It wasn't a surprise to find a Cuisinart while searching for the best dual coffee maker, as Cuisinart seems to have a coffee maker that fits just about every need. If one of those needs is a dual coffee maker that can do more than brew a single pot of coffee, then you are in luck. This Cuisinart coffee machine allows for you to be your own barista at home, as it features a whole slew of programmable features, free recyclable single-serve K-cups, self-cleaning capabilities and multiple brewing styles depending on your preferred brew type. Now, onto the brewing and what really makes this one of the best dual coffee makers. The Cuisinart not only allows for the traditional 12-cup Carafe pot of coffee to be brewed and dispensed, it also has the dual capability of being used as a single-serve brewer at the same time with a secondary chamber and water reservoir. The Cuisinart also can be used as a hot water dispenser if you are just looking for some hot water to add to your travel mug. Whether you want to use K-cups or a reusable filter, this two-way coffee maker is every coffee drinker's dream. Number 5. Ninja 10-cup specialty coffee maker. The Ninja hot and cold brewed system turns your kitchen into a full-on cafe. Casual drinkers may find it too overwhelming, but coffee and tea lovers will appreciate the flexibility of being able to make their beverages as simple or fancy as they want right from home. Capable of brewing a wide range of coffees, teas and cold brews, temperature and brew times are all automatically adjusted based on your choice of drink, selected from the display panel. Ninja claims that, using the specialty coffee setting and the included milk frother on the side of the machine, you can make coffee bar drinks at home. That's true if you're not super fussy about the quality of the coffee in your Cuisinos, as the machine brews strong coffee, but not espresso like the coffee shops. We were particularly happy with a medium roast coffee brewed on the classic setting, yielding a smooth and well-balanced cup, though the rich preset also served our dark roast particularly well. In our testing we found that, while impressively quick, the cold brew setting didn't offer a particularly smooth taste. However, an XL cup of perfectly fine cold brew was whipped up in just 10 minutes, which is a real benefit for anyone seeking extra convenience. Being able to produce more complex coffee brews at home makes for an incredibly versatile machine. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.